Hello students, today we start examples on a rate analysis of a subject professional practice and valuation of chapter number 5 rate analysis. So in example number 1 we discuss about earthwork in excavation up to 1.5 meter in a depth. So here in a rate analysis is a value of summation of material plus labor cost plus 1.5% water charges and 10% on contractor profit. So we got a total rate of the particular item in a quantity in a rupees. So let's we start example number 1. So here earthwork in excavation. So here calculation we take for a 10 meter cube. Here no any type of the material is required, so not a single material included in this example. Only labor cost is included. So here for finding out the earthwork for a 10 meter cube, quantity of the number of labor required, male coolie we require 2 and female coolie we require 2 numbers, and rate as per the current rate or as per the given in a book rate. In a textbook 200 rupees is given, so we take a 200 rupees as a male coolie rate per day. Here rate per person per day rate is given 200 and female coolie rate is given 180 rupees, and sunrise means extra cost is given like it's a lump sum value, so we take a 20 rupees per 10 meter cube. So here 200 multiplied by 2 is 400, 2 multiplied by 180 it's a 360 and 20 rupees extra cost. So here total cost for the earthwork in excavation up to 1.5 meter in a depth, total cost in rupees is 780 rupees. So it's only for a labor cost. Here we add a 10% contractor profit, so 780 rupees, 10% is 78 rupees. So rate for a 10 meter cube for a earthwork is 858 rupees, and for we finding out for a 1 meter cube, so 858 divided by 10, so we got the value is 85.8 rupees, and it's the answer in a point, so we take a final answer 86 rupees per meter cube rate for a earthwork in a excavation. Clear? So here no any calculation is required for finding out the material. So here in a calculation part no any calculation is required. Now next example number 2. So in example number 2 we discuss about sand filling in a foundation and plinth. So here in this example we take a 2 part. First is a material part and second is a labor part. So in a material part we require sand. As a sand filling material is only we require sand, so here sand is important material. So in a sand filling in a foundation for a plinth, so here we calculate for a 10 meter cube sand filling work. So here we require 10 number of quantity is 10 meter cube and rate per meter cube. Here value per meter cube sand rate is like 800 rupees as per the textbook value. So we also add here current rate of the sand per meter cube. So total amount is 8,000 rupees per 10 meter cube sand, and for sunrise we take 20 rupees as extra cost. So here 8020 it's a material cost. Then after we require number of labor is required, male coolie, female coolie, bhisti. So here number of labor required, male coolie is one male coolie is required, one female coolie is required, and 0.5 means half day bhisti is required. So one by one we take a rate as per the book. 200 rupees for a male coolie, 180 rupees for a female coolie, and 200 rupees for a bhisti, and extra cost we take at 20 rupees. So here male coolie 200 multiplied by 1 is a 200, 180 multiplied by 1 180, and 200 multiplied by 0.5 means 100 rupees. So here per day value of the labor is given, and extra cost is given. After total addition of the value, total labor cost is 500 rupees. Now total cost, total rate analysis is the material cost plus labor cost. So 8,020 rupees plus 500 rupees. So total cost is 8,520 rupees. Now here water is required, so we add a water charges 1.5%. So 8,520 rupees multiplied by 1.5%. So here we got the value 128 rupees, and 8,520 rupees we add a 10% contractor profit. So here we got the value 852 rupees. So summation of the 8,520 rupees plus 128 rupees plus 852 rupees. So we got the total rate of a 10 meter cube sand filling in a foundation and a plinth is 9,500 rupees. So here we got the value for a 10 meter cube. So for a 1 meter cube, 9,500 divided by 10. So we got the 949.98 means 950 rupees per meter cube rate for a sand filling in a foundation and plinth. Now we start a next example, example number 3. So in this example number 3, as you seen in example number 3, brick bed cement concrete in a foundation. So here BBCC ratio is given 1:5:10, and we calculate for a 10 meter cube work. So here material and labor both the cost is required, so we include material cost and labor cost we calculate. So here one by one we calculate. So for the calculation, because here ratio is given, so in the brick bed cement concrete, volume of the brick bed required equal to the total volume of the concrete. Means here brick bed is required, here total quantity of the work is a 10 meter cube, so brick bed is required 10 meter cube. So write here 10. Then after, in a proportion of the 1:5:10, the volume of sand is half of the volume of brick bed. So volume of sand required is half of the volume of brick bed. So here 10/2 is 5 value. Then after, the volume of cement is 1 divided by 5 of the volume of sand. So here volume of cement is 1/5 of the volume of sand. So volume of cement is 1/5 multiplied by 5 is 1 meter cube. So here 1 meter cube cement is required, but here in a 1 meter cube cement is always count in number of bags. So per bag volume is 0.035. So 1 divided by 0.035. So total 29 bag is a quantity of the cement required for complete the brick bed cement concrete in a foundation of a ratio 1:5:10. So here we write a 29. and we include the rate of the per meter cube sand is 800 rupees as per the textbook value. Then after sand value is 800 per meter cube rupees 800, and per bag cement value is 280 rupees per bag cement value. So we got the and in an extra cost we include 50 rupees as an extra cost. So 800 multiplied by total quantity is a 10 meter cube required, so 8000 rupees. Then after 800 multiplied by 5, 4000 rupees is the total amount of the sand. Then after 280 and 29 number of bag required, so 8120 rupees, and 50% as extra cost. So total material cost is 20,170 rupees. Now in a 20,170 rupees we also include the labor cost. So in the labor cost, male coolie, female coolie, bistri and extra cost is included. So we required to complete the 10 meter cube BBCC work, 3 male coolies required, 6 female coolies required, and 2 bistri is required. So here male coolie amount per day is 200 rupees, female coolie amount per day is 180 rupees, and bistri amount per 1 day rupees 200 rupees as per textbook value. Now and we add include the 50 rupees as a extra cost sunrise. So total 200 multiplied by 3 means 600, 180 multiplied by 6 1080 rupees, and 200 multiplied by 2 400, and 50 is the extra cost. So total labor cost is 600 plus 1080, 450. So total labor cost is 2130 rupees. So material plus labor cost is 20,170 plus 2,130 is 22,300 rupees. Now here water is required, so we include the 1.5% water charges. So 22,300 multiplied by 1.5%, so we got the value 334.5, and we include 10% contracted profit. So here 22,300 rupees multiplied by 10%, so 2,230 rupees is a 10% of the contractor profit. Now rate of the 10 meter cube of a BBCC is a summation of the material plus labor cost plus water charges plus contractor profit. So 22,300 plus 334.5 plus 2,230. So total rate for a 10 meter cube is 24,864.5 rupees. Is a total cost for a 10 meter cube rate. Now for a 1 meter cube rate is 24,864.5 divided by 10. So we got the value 2,486.45 rupees. So here without any point, standard value says 2,486 rupees per meter cube BBCC work rate. So it's the final value we got. Now next we start example number 4. So in example number 4, here brick bed cement concrete in a foundation BBCC 1:4:8. We finding out the total rate analysis for a particular item. So here ratio is changed. Example is look like the same. Here 1:5:2 value is 1:5:10 is given, clear, or here 1:4:8 is given. Ratio is look like same. Example is same but ratio is changed. So here for example, two parties divide. First is the material and second part is the labor part. So in the material part, in a brick bed, cement, concrete, brick bed, sand and cement, three material is required. So in a brick bed, cement, concrete, the volume of the brick bed required equal to the volume of concrete. So volume of the concrete is a 10 meter cube. We calculate for a 10 meter cube. So brick bed is also required 10 meter cube. Then after proportion is a 1:5:10. So the volume of sand is a half of the volume of brick bed. So here volume of sand is a half of the volume of brick bed is 5, and then after volume of cement is a 1/4 of the volume of sand, because proportion is a 1:4. So here volume of cement required is a 1/4 of the volume of sand. So volume of sand is a 5. So 1/4 multiplied by 5. So 1.25 meter cube. But here we finding out the cement in a number of bag. So 1.25 we got the answer in a meter cube. But we divide 0.035. It's the value of one bag cement volume. So 1.25 divided by 0.035. So 35.71 bags is the answer, and final value is a 36 bag cement is required. So right here 36 number of the bag is required. So one by one we add the rate. So brick bed rate is 800 rupees per meter cube. Sand is 800 rupees per meter cube, and cement 280 rupees per bag. And extra cost we include 50 rupees. Now total amount is 800 multiplied by 10 is 8,000, 800 multiplied by 5 is 4,000, and 280 multiplied by 36 is 10,080 rupees, and 50 rupees extra cost. So total cost is 22,130 rupees. It's a material cost. Then after we start a labor cost. So here for a 10 meter cube BBCC, 3 male coolies required, 6 female coolies required, and 2 Bhisti is required. So one by one we include the rate. 200 rupees per day male coolie, 180 rupees per day female coolie, and Bhisti 200 rupees per day required, and extra cost we include 50 rupees. So here total labor cost is 200 multiplied by 3 is 600, 180 multiplied by 6 is 1080 rupees, and 200 multiplied by 2 is 400, and extra cost is 50. So total labor cost is 600, 1080, 400 plus 50. It's 2130 rupees. It's a labor cost. Then after labor plus material cost is 24,260. So it's a summation of the 22,130 and 2,130. So 24,260 rupees is the labor cost and material cost. Here water is required, so we include the 1.5% water charges. So 24,260 multiplied by 1.5%, so we got answer 363.9 rupees as a water charges, and 10% contractor profit. So 24,260 multiplied by 10% is 2,426 rupees. So total rate for the 10 meter cube is 24,260 plus 363.9 plus 2,426. So it's a value 27,049.9 rupees. So for a 1 meter cube rate, 27,049 rupees 0.9 rupees divided by 10. So we got the 1 meter cube rate is 2,704.99 rupees. So says value is 2,705 rupees for a 1 meter cube BBC of grade 1:4:10.